All right, welcome back. This is Thanksgiving at Victoria Gourmet Test Kitchen Part 2. Let's say your pod is a little smaller this year and you don't want to do a whole bird. You just want to do a turkey breast or 2 turkey breasts. We got you covered. We're going to walk you through it right now, including the gravy.
So what we thought we'd do was we need to add a little more fat because we don't have the whole bird here. We don't have any dark meat. So we took a stick of butter and I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of Victoria's turkey rub. I'm going to mix this together to make a compound butter. And then what we'll do is we'll put this under the skin to keep the turkey moist and to add a little bit of that fat we're looking for so that we can extract some drippings. Now while I'm doing this, Victoria is lining a sheet pan with a cookie sheet. And on top of that, she's adding lemons and oranges and onions, similar to what we did with the stuffing of the full bird, to get more flavor out of our bird. So our bird will sit on, our turkey will sit on top of that. All right, this is mixed up.
So here's our sheet pan.
Isn't that beautiful?
Covered with onions and citrus slices, which will add additional juices to the bottom of the pan.
All right, Vic, I'll let you do the honors here.
Okay, I'm gonna get all this butter.
So we loosened the skin from the breast of the turkey, and now we're gonna massage in some of this compound butter. Again, the turkey rub with unsalted butter. Unsalted is key. We wanna add salt at the end, not the beginning. And then we're going to have Victoria just massage this there we go.
Around so that it distributes. It will melt and further distribute, but this is a great start.
Think about it as a self-basting. So in addition to the fat that sits on top, we've got this additional beautiful, flavorful butter that will add more flavor and keep our breasts really tender.
Okay, so here are 2 turkey breasts.
Okay.
They are ready to go in the oven.
Are you gonna put some olive oil on top or some?
Yeah, I'll do a
seasoning?
little
I'll
olive
do
oil.
olive oil.
Wash my hands.
All right. So I'll drizzle it on for you. How's that?
Perfect.
We'll drizzle this on. Just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit. Just a quick rub down. And these are now ready to go into the oven. So we put the oven at 425. These will probably roast about maybe 12 minutes a pound. This is roughly about 5 pounds of turkey breast. It's a lot of meat, but it goes a long way. And we'll see in a few minutes.
All right.
Here we go.
Convection for just about an hour
my-
and 20 minutes, and they look done.
Look
They
at
look
this.
beautiful.
I'm gonna need a second pot holder for that.
All right, let me get you one. There you go.
Thank you.
Look at that.
Check the temperature right when I put it down. I believe these are done, but we'll just do a little double check. There
Okay.
we go.
Oh my God!
Look at
that.
this. It
Turkey
smells
breast.
like we've made the whole turkey again. And sure enough, there we are.
Perfect.
We're there. All right, so this has been our turkey breast with our compound butter, with our turkey rub underneath the skin. We roasted the breasts on top of onions, lemons, and oranges to extract as much flavor as we could. So we're going to transfer these 2 breasts to a cooler tray, and then we're going to get the juices into our pan. We'll start making gravy.
All right. Awesome.
So we'll transfer these and see you in a minute.
All right. All right, we're moving to the gravy making for the 2 turkey breasts. So this is what was left after we removed the turkey breasts and the slices of citrus fruit and the slices of onion. So I have here a smaller amount of pan juices and fat. I'm not going to bother to separate, and I'm going to use half as much flour as I would with a whole turkey. So this is 2 tablespoons of flour, and I'm going to make the roux right now. So there it is. And now I'm going to use canned turkey stock instead of the homemade turkey stock that you would have with a whole turkey. So we're going to start to gradually add this turkey stock. I'm using the same pan that we cooked the turkey breasts in. I'm going to sprinkle in a little of my turkey rub. It's going to continue to thicken. I'm just going to add a tiny splash of dry sherry. How easy was that?
Look at this, Victoria.
Oh,
we
this
have
looks so pretty.
turkey breasts that we roasted with a compound butter of the turkey rub under the skin. We roasted on top of oranges, lemons, and onion. Could get that out. Sorry. And we have this beautiful turkey for a smaller Thanksgiving this year, and we made this delicious dark gravy just using the way we laid this on top of our aromatics in the oven.
And using a store-bought turkey stock.
Turkey
so
stock.
Look how dark that is. This is definitely a way to go for a smaller part.
I think I might be doing this year. This looks so good.
It does look good.
Thanks for
Alrighty.
joining us, and happy Thanksgiving.